Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your lock screen on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. All you have to do is open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select Personalization. Here it is. And then all you have to do is tap on Lock Style. Now from here, you'll see a list of available previews of lock screen. So you can scroll down and see a list of a list of all available lock screen templates that you can use. And once you find the one that you'd like, so let's say if I like to use this one, all I have to do is highlight on it and then select Customize. Now there are a couple of things you can customize. You can customize the text, you can customize also the clock style, and also you can customize the wallpaper to suit your needs. Now let's say if you want to customize the text, all you have to do is simply tap on it, and then now you can choose a font that you'd like. Let's say if I want that one, I can select it, and then you can also adjust the size of that particular font. So if you can increase it by tapping on the size option, you can reduce it by tapping on the minus icon next to the size. So adjust it to suit your needs, and also you can choose to have the character spacing and also the line spacing. Also, you can choose it to appear the way you like. So if you want it centered, you can select it. If you want it to start on the right side, if you want it on the left side, if you want it to look like that or like that, you can simply choose the option that you prefer from these options that are down here. So I'll just leave it at that. Now once you're done, you can simply also type in your text in here. So you can tap on that text and select that one and put a smile, and you can see it has been applied automatically. So for now, I'll just leave it the way it is. And once you're done, you have successfully customized that particular signature or the text on that text field. Now you can customize the clock. So tap on the clock, and then you can choose the style that you'd like. So there are only 3 styles at the moment. So choose the style that you'd like and choose the position that you'd like it to be. So you can choose it to be on the right side, or the left side, or in the middle. So I'll just leave it at the right side. And there you go. Now you can also replace this wallpaper. If you don't like the wallpaper, you can simply replace it by simply tapping on wallpaper. And then you should see a list of all the available wallpapers that come inbuilt with the phone. Now if you'd like to select one wallpaper, you can simply go through all the available wallpapers that you'd like and find the one that you'd like to use. Or if you want a custom wallpaper, simply scroll back to the top and select local photos, tap on that, and then find the wallpaper that you'd like to use. So let's say this wallpaper, I'll select it. And there you go, you have now successfully selected a wallpaper. Now you can choose to have wallpaper effects. So you can tap on that, and then you should see a list of wallpaper effects. So there's the original, that's how it looked like. If you want some blur on your wallpaper, you can see that. If you want the glass effect, you can also choose that. Or if you want to have, the lens effect, you can choose that. If you want to have the glass effect, there are a couple of glasses you can use. So there's that one, there's that one, there's that one, and all the other ones that are available. Also, when you select the glass effect, you should see another option appear, the matte effect. So you can enable it and see how it looks like. Now for me, I'll just leave it at original, the way it is. And also you can change the font effects. So you can change the font of this particular signature, and also you can change the font effects for the date and time. So if you select the signature and then choose the color that you'd like, so you can select it to be all these available colors that are available. Or if you want your custom color, you can simply tap on this wheel and adjust it to suit your needs. As you can see, once you're done, you can also adjust the time of the font effects of the time and the date. So you can choose which color you'd like to use it for your date. Or you can choose a custom color by selecting that and then adjust it to suit your needs. Now once you're done, you can simply exit. So for me, I'll just leave it at the default. Once you're done, simply exit. And then also you can have the depth effect on that particular wallpaper. Now keep in mind that not all wallpapers support the depth effect. So some wallpapers do have that depth effect, but others don't. So for this one, I have one. So you can disable the depth effect, as you can see, or you can simply enable it. And also you can drag the wallpaper to suit your needs. So if you want it on the right side, on the left, or you can just minimize it expand it. You can just adjust it to suit your needs. Now once you're done customizing your wallpaper, all you have to do is simply tap on apply. And then you'll be prompted, do you want to apply this wallpaper as the home screen as well? So if you'd like to apply both on the lock screen and the home screen, simply tap on apply to both. But if you'd like to apply it on your lock screen, simply tap on only lock screen. And there you go, you have successfully customized your lock screen wallpaper. Now when you lock your device, you can now see your brand new lock screen wallpaper that you have customized. So that's basically it on how to customize the lock screen on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.